Hi everyone. So somebody requested that I should solve question 10 as well. Yeah, question 10. So question 10 is saying prove the identities. So for you to prove this type of identities, you need to know those is it composite? Yeah, composite. There's a topic called composite identities, something like that in trigonometry. So the identity for sine x plus 90, or for sine, let me just write it like this: sine a plus b is just equal to sine a cos b plus sine b cos a. So in this question, our a is x, our b is 90. So we can start plugging in the values. So say sine x plus 90 is equal to sine x cos 90 plus sine 90 cos x. So we all know to say cos 90 is equal to 0. So when we multiply cos 90, which is a 0, times, let me just write this, sine x, then cos 90 we know is 0. So if you multiply 0 times cos 90, sorry, if you multiply sine x times 0, you still get a 0 this side, then plus this side, sine 90, we all know to say this is a1, and then cos x remains like that. So this is just a 0 plus cos x that side. So in short, we are getting our answer to be just cos x, as simple as this. So this is how you solve such questions. And then I'll also solve C is also saying cos z minus pi. So this pi should not confuse you. This one is just the same as 180 degrees. The reason why I'm just solving A, C, and D, I know to say once you manage to solve A, C, and D, you can solve the rest of the questions there. So cos Z, you write the identity for cos X plus Y. You can either use AB or XY, MN, any letters. So cos X plus Y is just the same as cos X cos Y minus sine x sine y. So this is the identity for cos x plus y. Now we plug in the values there. So cos z minus pi, minus pi is nothing but equal to, where there is x we put z, this is cos z, and then where there is y we put pi, minus sine z sine pi. So they want us to change this, or to show that this is equal to that. So this one will give us what? So cos pi, cos 180 degrees is equal to -1. We all know this is equal to -1. Then cos z there. Then minus sine z multiplied by, what is sine pi? Sine pi is just the same as sine 180, which is equal to 0. So this gives us the answer. When you multiply this times that, you get a 0. So we remain our answer to be cos z. Hence proved. So this is our answer, and on this one, this was our answer. So hence proved. So let me also answer D. I'll answer D from here. Yes. So D is saying, this is D, tan alpha minus pi, tan alpha minus pi. They are telling us to show it that it's equal to tan alpha. So this one, we also write the identity for tan. The identity for tan is equal to the identity for tan. Okay, let me just use A. The identity for tan A minus B is equal to this is tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan 1 plus tan A. This is tan B this side. Alright. So the identity for tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. So we plug in the values that we've been given there. So tan alpha minus pi is equal to tan A, or tan, our A in this case is alpha. So we'll say tan alpha minus, our B is pi. So we're going to say tan pi over 1 plus tan alpha tan pi. So tan pi is just the same as tan 180, which is tan 180, we all know that is equal to 0. So you can also tell them to say, but tan pi is equal to 0. So meaning when we replace 0 there, we also put 0 there. Anyway, let me just write it for the sake of other people's understanding. So this is just the same as tan alpha minus, we said tan pi is equal to 0 over 1 plus, if you put a 0 there, we have tan alpha and then a 0 there. So this is just the same as 0, which gives us what? Tan alpha over 1, which is just the same as tan alpha. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel.